Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Tailwind CSS design tokens from Figma styles, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your Figma file containing the styles you wish to convert into Tailwind CSS design tokens. Identify the color styles you want to export. Select the color styles to see their HEX values. Document these HEX values for reference. Next, open your Tailwind CSS configuration file, usually named tailwind.config.js. Add a theme section if it's not already present. Within the theme section, create a colors key. For each color style from Figma, define a corresponding key in the colors object. Use meaningful names that reflect the purpose or use of each color. To ensure consistent usage throughout your project, replicate the HEX values from Figma directly into the key definitions. Once you have defined all your colors, save the tailwind.config.js file. Now, let's set up typography tokens. Return to your Figma file and identify the text styles you'd like to convert. For each text style, take note of the font family, weights, and sizes. Open your Tailwind configuration file again. Within the same theme section, locate or create a font family key. Map each font family name to a descriptive key. Next, create a font size key to define sizes for your text styles. Assign names closely associated with the text style for clarity. Add the respective sizes you documented from Figma. Include line height if relevant by using the format size, line height. Save your changes to the configuration file. To ensure everything is working smoothly, compile your Tailwind CSS styles. Test your settings in your development environment. Open your project in a browser to see your Tailwind styles applied. Make any necessary adjustments to colors or typography in the configuration file. Repeat the process as needed to keep your design tokens aligned with any future Figma updates. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Tailwind CSS design tokens from Figma styles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.